Meshes remain the primary representation for 3D content. Yet generating editable, simulation-ready meshes directly is a challenge that significantly impacts artist workflows. We introduce MeshRipple, a structured autoregressive framework designed to produce high-quality, high face count meshes with optimized topology. MeshRipple propagates geometry outward from an active frontier, expanding the mesh surface like a ripple. Standard autoregressive generators struggle with large meshes, often converting them into excessively long token streams that lead to memory exhaustion. Current state-of-the-art solutions attempt to mitigate this via truncated training partitioning sequences into fixed windows with independent training and rolling KV cache approximation. However, this truncation severs historical dependencies, inevitably destroying topological connectivity and resulting in visible holes. MeshRipple resolves this fundamental limitation. Our core contribution is ripple tokenization, a frontier-aware, breadth-first traversal strategy. Initiating at face, we identify twin half-edges and populate a frontier queue with unvisited faces. We then expand sequentially from the next face in the queue, ensuring continuous tokenization. The algorithm robustly handles non-manifold edges, automatically splits non-manifold vertices, and utilizes a specific control token N to effectively delineate disconnected components. We propose a specialized autoregressive architecture for structured mesh growth. Ripple tokenized sequences are processed in fixed segments, utilizing an hourglass backbone to compress vertex tokens into per-face embeddings. The architecture integrates frontier, self, and cross-attention layers to jointly predict the grown face and the next expansion route, constraining generation to a coherent surface. Furthermore, we introduce native sparse contextual attention, a causal mechanism that queries a compressed history summary to capture long-range geometric cues. Benchmarking against state-of-the-art methods under point cloud conditioning demonstrates a clear advantage. MeshRipple consistently yields complete and highly detailed meshes. Where baseline models frequently fail, producing oversimplified shapes, or suffering from structural artifacts like fragmentation and holes, the framework proves robust across modalities. From single input images, we generate geometrically consistent 3D meshes. Similarly, when conditioned on the same input point cloud, our model is capable of synthesizing topologically diverse, yet plausible variations. MeshRipple natively supports complex topology, non-manifold geometry, and multi-component assemblies, as demonstrated in progressive scene generation. Leveraging the 3D front dataset, we deploy a two-stage pipeline, first generating the room layout and furniture bounding boxes, followed by the specific furniture geometry. This hierarchical approach successfully creates coherent indoor scenes populated with high-fidelity, detailed objects. Thank you for watching.